Hey everyone, and welcome to the AI Tech Channel. Are you ready for a seismic shift in the AI world? Because Meta just dropped a bombshell. Forget incremental updates, we're talking about a potential power grab that could leave everyone else scrambling to catch up. Is Meta about to become the undisputed king of open-source AI? The answer might shock you. Leaked internal data suggests they're not just aiming for the top spot, they're planning to redefine the entire game. But is their strategy sustainable? We're diving deep to uncover the truth. Alright, let's get to the news. Meta has officially announced LlamaCon, their first ever developer conference dedicated entirely to generative AI. Mark your calendars for April 29th. Think of it as a Woodstock for AI developers, but instead of guitars and tie-dye, it's all about algorithms and open source code. They're promising to share the latest on their open source AI developments to help developers build amazing apps and products. This is huge. It signals Meta's serious commitment to fostering an ecosystem around their Llama family of models. But what exactly will they unveil? That's what we're here to find out. And that's not all. Meta Connect is also making a comeback, scheduled for September 17th and 18th. This year, expect a heavy focus on virtual and mixed reality, the metaverse, and of course, AI glasses. They're promising the latest and greatest in Meta Horizon updates and a sneak peek at tomorrow's tech. For XR devs, this is the event of the year. It's where Meta lays out its vision for the future of computing. But can they deliver on the hype? That's the million-dollar question. Now, let's break down what this all means. Meta's embrace of open-source AI is a calculated move. They're not just being altruistic. They're building a powerful community around their Llama models. They want developers to build on top of their technology, creating a massive ecosystem that benefits Meta in the long run. Think of it like Android for AI. By making Llama open source, they're hoping to become the dominant platform for generative AI applications. But it's a risky strategy. They're essentially giving away their technology for free. So, what's the catch? The key here is adoption. Meta wants Llama to be everywhere. They claim hundreds of millions of downloads and partnerships with major players like NVIDIA, Databricks, and Dell. These partners are building tools that make Llama even more powerful, allowing it to reference proprietary data and run at lower latencies. This is crucial for enterprise applications. Imagine being able to use Llama to analyze your company's data and generate insights in real time. That's the power Meta is unlocking. But are these partnerships enough to guarantee Llama's success? Here's where things get interesting. According to reports, Meta was caught off guard by the rise of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company that managed to release open AI that rivals Meta's own. This is a major wake-up call for Meta. It shows that the competition in the AI space is fierce and that they can't afford to rest on their laurels. Meta reportedly believes that one of DeepSeek's newer models could outperform the next version of Llama. This is a serious threat. It could undermine Meta's entire open-source strategy. So, how is Meta responding? The reports say that Meta scrambled to set up war rooms to decipher how DeepSeek lowered the cost of running and deploying models. This is a classic Silicon Valley move. When faced with a threat, you assemble your best minds, lock them in a room, and don't let them out until they've solved the problem. Meta is clearly taking DeepSeek very seriously. They're determined to understand DeepSeek's technology and apply those learnings to Llama's own development. But can they catch up in time? The race is on. To further solidify their position, Meta recently announced that they would spend as much as $80 billion on AI projects this year. That's a staggering amount of money. It includes hiring top AI talent and building new AI data centers. This is a clear signal that Meta is all in on AI. They're willing to invest whatever it takes to become the leader in the field. But is this investment sustainable? Can they generate enough revenue from their AI products to justify this massive expenditure? That remains to be seen. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made it clear that he sees Llama as the future of AI. He plans to launch several new Llama models in the coming months, including reasoning models and models with natively multimodal capabilities. He's even hinted at agentic capabilities, suggesting that future Llama models will be able to take certain actions autonomously. This is a bold vision. Zuckerberg believes that Llama can become the most advanced and widely used AI model in the world. But can he pull it off? The pressure is on. But it's not all smooth sailing for Meta. They're currently facing a lawsuit that accuses them of training their models on copyrighted book materials without permission. This is a serious challenge. If they lose the lawsuit, it could significantly impact their ability to train their models. Furthermore, several EU countries have forced Meta to postpone or cancel their model launch plans over data privacy concerns. This highlights the regulatory challenges that AI companies face. They need to navigate complex legal and ethical issues to bring their products to market. So, can Meta overcome these obstacles? Now, let's talk about the broader implications. Meta's aggressive push into AI is putting pressure on other tech giants like Google and Microsoft. They're all vying for the same piece of the pie. This competition is driving innovation and leading to faster advancements in AI technology. But it's also creating a winner-take-all scenario. Only a few companies will ultimately dominate the AI landscape. So, who will emerge victorious? That's the question everyone is asking. One of the biggest debates in the AI world is whether open-source or closed-source models are the way to go. Meta is betting on open source, arguing that it fosters collaboration and innovation. Others argue that closed-source models are more secure and allow for better control over the technology. There are valid arguments on both sides. Ultimately, the best approach may depend on the specific application. But the open source versus closed source debate is likely to continue for years to come. Which side are you on? Another critical issue is AI bias. AI models are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the models will be biased as well. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Meta is aware of this problem and is working to mitigate it. But it's a complex challenge. It requires careful attention to data collection, model training, and evaluation. We need to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Otherwise, it could exacerbate existing inequalities. What steps should be taken to prevent AI bias? And of course, let's not forget about the impact on the job market. AI is automating many tasks that were previously done by humans. This is leading to job displacement in some industries. However, AI is also creating new jobs in other areas. The key is to prepare for the future by acquiring new skills and adapting to the changing job market. We need to invest in education and training to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the AI economy. What skills will be most in demand in the age of AI? So, what does all of this mean for you? Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone who's interested in technology, Meta's AI push is something you need to pay attention to. It could have a significant impact on your life and your career. Stay informed, ask questions, and get involved in the conversation. The future of AI is being shaped right now. Don't miss out. Looking ahead, I predict that Meta will continue to invest heavily in AI and that Llama will become an increasingly important player in the AI ecosystem. I also expect to see more competition from other companies, both in the open source and closed source spaces. The next few years will be a pivotal time for AI. We're likely to see major breakthroughs and significant changes in the way we live and work. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. All right, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this analysis helpful. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Meta's AI strategy? Do you think Llama can become the dominant AI model? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AI Tech channel for more updates on the latest AI news and trends. Thanks for watching.